Hello guys, today here I will talk about the type of rooms sold in hotel industry. Basically it focus on the 5-star hotels. First of all, there is a single room. A single room has been for one single bed for single occupancy. Additional bed can be also be added in this room. However, the bed size of normal bed size is 3 feet by 6 feet, and in single room, the concept of single room is vanishing day by day. Next is twin room. A twin room is basically suitable for the groups, and it basically have two single beds for double occupancy, and extra bed may be added. And the bed size of this room is normally 3 feet by 6 feet. Next is double room. A double room has one double bed for double occupancy, and extra bed may be added to this room for on the guest request. And the best bed size of double room is 4.5 feet by 6 feet. Next is triple room. A triple room has three separate single beds, can be occupied by three guests, and this type of room is suitable for meetings and conferences. Next is quad room. A quad room has four separate single beds and can be accommodated 4 persons at the same time. Next we come to Hollywood twin room. Hollywood twin room has two single beds with the common headboard in the center of the two beds. Next is double room. A double room has two double beds. Is normally preferred by a family or group accommodated 4 persons. Basically, it has two double beds. Next is king room. A king room is a normally room with a king size bed, and basically it focuses on its bed size, which is 6 feet by 6 feet. Next is queen room. As I have tell you about the king room, that it focus on its bed size. Queen room also focus on its bed size, but its bed size is slightly lower than the king room, as king room has 6 by 6 feet bed, but the queen room has 5 by 6 feet bed. Next I come to talk about the parlor room. A parlor room has room without bed. It is usually for sitting purposes. This concept of parlor room has been taken from the European countries. Next is studio room. A studio room is a room which have sofa cum bed. Also, we can also call this Z bedroom. Next is cabana. Now, what is cabana room? Cabana room is a basically room used for changing purposes. It is near to the swimming pool. It has no bed. It is generally used for the changing purpose. Next is duplex room. Duplex room is a room which connect to the living room to the bedroom by stairs. It has two stories. One is down and one is upward. Basically, the concept of this is we can arrange the meeting to downside, and we can take rest at in the upper bedroom. Now, what is penthouse room? Penthouse room is a room in which it is on the top of the terrace, basically occupied by the you can say very rich person, can be actor or any politicians. It is a room on the terrace with the terrace view. Topmost room is known as penthouse. Next is lanai room. Lanai room is a room in which you can see the scenery by the balcony. So this is basic about the rooms which we sell in the hotel industry. I will come with the new video where I will tell about more rooms, cover more of the rooms, and tell you about how they different from these rooms.